Dear learners, everybody, how are you? I hope that you are keeping well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. In a critical situation, whole world affected, global diseases, novel coronavirus. In this situation, today we shall start our online class. I am Muhammad Nijamuddin, Assistant Headmaster of Sharwatul Ibrahim Nur Muhammad High School, Bolkali, Chattogram. Dear students, today I shall discuss English first paper for class 9 and 10. Every student watch and observe first slide. What can you see in this picture? Now we watch a video. We see the picture, some crowded people, they used various vehicles, steamer, train and other transport. Next slide. Where are they going? They are going to village home. What can see the picture? This is a tree, and we can see another picture, a house. What do you mean? Root. That means birthplace or paternal address. So today our lesson is My Root, Unit 12, lesson number 1. Everybody, every students, open your book, Unit 12, lesson number 1. Now we can see the another picture. Some people try to train journey anyway, but risks. We can see the picture. A man already is hitting. Look at the picture and the caption below. How do you feel to see this photo? Why do you think people take such risk to go home to celebrate their Eid? Next picture, next slide. Going to village home is must. That may be at any cost. Next slide, we can see two men embracing. They observed Eid festivals. What is the picture about Eid? What is it? Eid is the main religious festival of the Muslims in Bangladesh. Eid means happiness. Every students write down your khata. What is Eid? Eid is the main religious festival of the Muslims in Bangladesh. Eid means happiness. What does everyone want during Eid? Everyone wants to share happiness with their near and dear ones during Eid. So what happens then? So most of the people who are living outside their home for different reasons have a strong desire to get back home during the Eid vacations. As a result, there is a mad rush in the buses, trains or launches for the homebound people. What is caused afterwards? Accident, that is road accident, or street accident. Some people already affected. Can it stop people's desire to meet their family, in-laws or friends? No. What makes people rush for their homes in spite of serious hazards? This is the pull of the roots. Do human beings have roots like the trees? The answer is yes. But unlike the roots of the trees, they are invisible. They lie in our minds. Dear learners, let us have a tour from the text directly to know the rest about roots. Open your textbook at page 141 and start reading from its these roots that make a bond between fell empty and lost silently. I am always be with you. Now every student read the following text. It's these roots that make a bond between us and family members, in-laws, friends, neighbors, or even between us and the land where we are born and grew up. In that sense, our families, land of birth, relatives, our culture, traditions or surroundings are our roots. And wherever we stay, we have a continuous pool of our roots. It's our roots that develop our identity, making us what we are. When we lose that bond, we become rootless. Human beings who do not have any root or context or non-entity, in other words, they do not have their own identity. Such persons are devoid of values, humanity and social responsibilities. They don't know where they are from and or where they are heading towards. This often makes them feel empty and lost. Read the text in the speech vowels, make a question for them and then compare in pairs. What is Eid? Eid means happiness, and Eid is the main religious festival of the Muslims in Bangladesh. In that sense, our families, land of birth, relatives, our culture, traditions, or surroundings are our roots. It's our root that develops our identity, making what we are. Fill in the grid with appropriate information from the text above that makes our roots. Number one, that makes our roots. Number one, in relatives, in laws, in neighbors, the problems of a rootless person, no identity, no personality, no entity, and others. Okay, students. Okay, students, now everybody open your khata and write down your homework. Answer the following questions. Number A, why do people desire to get back home during the Eid vacation? Question number 2, what happens when people rush for their home during the Eid vacation? Question number C, what is Eid? What do the Muslims do on Eid day? Number D, what do most of the people living outside home desire Eid vacation? Question number E, give the reason why people become rootless. This is your homework. I hope that every student finish your homework, and thank you every student. Okay.